What's up guys? So welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my holiday look that I did for you guys. It's very glam, one of the most glam tutorials and I think I've ever done, one of my favorite makeup looks, and it's going to be this really pretty aqua and turquoise glitter cut crease, perfect for the holidays, perfect for Christmas parties, perfect for family gatherings, if you just want to go all out. And I topped it off with a nice beautiful soft pink lip. So yeah, if you want to see the rest of the tutorial, keep on watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you guys can know when I upload brand new videos. And well, let's cut all the talking and let's get right into that tutorial.
Okay, first things first, I'm going to be taking this blue shade in the second row. It doesn't have a name, but I'm going to be applying that all over my crease. And then I'm going to be taking the green on the first row and applying that to the outer corners. And I'm just using a fluffy brush by Morphe. I can list all the brushes in the description box below, but I'm just taking that in my crease a little bit high because I have a lot of lid space and just blending that out. I'll be taking that darker blue and placing that right below where I put that first blue, and I'm only taking this halfway because I don't want it to merge with the green. I'm just going to be packing that underneath that blue, basically on top, so they can blend out. Next, I'll be taking that dark green, foresty green color, and I'll be putting that under where I put that blue green. And that's really going to add a lot of definition. I'm taking that color and just blending it over the outer V of my eyes, making sure that color is nice and saturated. Okay, so next I'm going to cut my crease. For this, because I have hooded eyes, I put a little bit of concealer on the very bottom of my eyelid, and I look up, and that I will use as a marker as to how to form out the circle for my cut crease. And I know this looks really fast, guys, but I did speed this up because it takes forever for me to cut my crease. So patience is key. You definitely want to make sure that you're taking your time so you can get the correct shape. And if you're not used to cutting your crease, I recommend a concealer brush that's a little bit smaller. That way you can have more of a steady hand. The brush I'm using is a little bit longer and it's a little bit bigger, only because I'm used to cutting my crease. So right now I'm just demonstrating how one cut crease is higher than the other. So I just go back in with a little bit more concealer and I'm just making the cut creases, the circles even. That way they don't look different once I put on the eyeshadow on top. Okay, so next I'll be taking a black shadow. That's the black shadow in the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to be taking a pointed brush and I'm just packing that in the outer corner of my eyes. And then I'm going to go back in with a fluffy blending brush and I'm really going to diffuse out that black color because black is very hard to blend. So the blending process for this is going to take quite a long time. So make sure you have a pretty good blending brush. A fluffy blending brush will do just perfectly fine. And as I blend out, it's gonna take away a little bit of the color. So I go back in with that black, pack on a little bit more color, and then I'll blend that out. Next, I'm taking my NYX Glitter Glue Primer and taking this on a flat shader brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to apply that glitter base all over my lid, and then I go in with a blue teal turquoise glitter, and I'll be packing that towards the inner half of my eye. Next, I took a green shade, my camera cut off, but I'm going to do the same thing on the other lid. First, start off with that teal color, and then I'm taking a green glitter and I'm going to pack that towards the center of the eye. And these glitters I got from a place called bulkglitters.com. I'll list the link in the description box so you guys can purchase, but these are going to be the cosmetic grade glitters, so they're perfectly safe for your eye. Next, I just took a little bit of black liner and lined the top of my eyes, and then I'm taking a makeup wipe and just wiping off all the glitter that was on my face, and I'm cleaning up the edges of my eyeshadow look a little bit to make it crisp. For my foundation, I go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Chai, and this is my favorite foundation, I swear by it. I went ahead and put on some lashes just to make the process a little bit quicker. And then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is going to be in the shade Tan Deep Sand. And then I take a flat foundation brush, and I like to use this to really make sure that my concealer is nice and it's full coverage. And I basically stipple that concealer inside of my face just to make sure everything is nice and blended. It's my favorite way to apply my concealer. For my under eye setting powder, I'll be using the Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm taking that on a damp beauty blender, and I like to press this into my skin. I don't like to bake because it makes my under eyes dry, so I've been loving this technique using a damp beauty blender and really packing in that setting powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder, and this is in the brown shade, and I'm just going to take that on a fluffy powder brush and put that all over my face and just really pack that in and then buff it out. For contour, I'll be using the Morphe Bronzer, and this is in the shade Showmance. This is my favorite contour of all time, and I'm taking that on my cheeks with an angled brush, and I'm just contouring my face. To contour my nose, I take that same brush I used to contour and I like to pinch it tight, and then I just take the excess, what was left on the brush, and I go and I carve out my nose. For blush, I'll be using the Bella Blush by Juvia's Place, and I'll be putting that on the apples of my cheeks. And then I take my favorite Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and I like to spritz my face. Next, for highlighter, I'm taking Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby, and this is on my Morphe fan brush, and I'm applying this to the apples of my cheeks. I absolutely love this highlighter. It is stunning, it is so creamy, and the pigmentation, guys, is everything. Definitely a must-have. To line my lips, I'll be taking MAC Chestnut Pencil, and then I'll be taking Candy K by Kylie Cosmetics, and I'll be putting that in the center of my lips. I'm just adding a little bit of mascara onto my upper lash line and on the bottom lashes. And then I just like to take a black eyeliner and put that on my waterline. And there we have it. This completes the final look.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is my blue and turquoise Christmas glitter look. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I cannot wait to show you guys all of the rest of the videos that I have planned for you. And thank you so much for all of the support that you guys give me. It makes me so happy to know that I have people who support me, and that this is really a passion for me. My passion for makeup is actually accepted and it's noticed by so many people. So thank you so much for all of your encouraging words, your encouraging messages, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.